someone asked me if I'd put another one of them driving videos with my camera on the grill of my truck, on the front of my truck. Well, the camera that I was using was my D001 MD80 clone spy cam. But that thing is not working very well. Half the time when I go to take the camera off the grill and check the videos into the computer, they're all like corrupted. They're like there's a band of lines going through it, and the sound is there, but the video isn't. And sometimes also the thing will just shut off by itself even though it's fully charged. And also I lost the date again. It's back down to 2008. I had the date set on it and everything else. It's very frustrating. It's a pain in the ass, to be honest with you. I've been trying to delete totally the date function on that thing, but I can't find it. Maybe somebody out there might have a firmware. I can't find anything on the internet of that D001 that can wipe out the function of the date. I've been looking on YouTube, and there's a lot of people trying to do it, and nobody has been able to do it other than that virtual dub and taking 60 lines off the video. I don't want to do that. I want to eliminate the date stamp completely, because this video is for the birds. Okay, my spy camera is not working all that good. 50% of the time the video comes out, the other time the audio comes out, and there's just lines across. One thing I have found out, you got to charge this thing overnight. It gets very warm, of course. You got to charge it overnight. And when the battery runs out, the video 9 out of 10 times will not come out. Even if it's recording 10 or 15 minutes. If the battery dies, the whole file is corrupted. So make a note of that for those of you who have these things. Anyways, I'm going to attempt to record the birds in the feeder. Now when they land on this thing here, it causes this whole pole to shiver. I've made some tests on this, and the video does get quivery, but there's not much you can do about that. So I just thought I'd be doing something a little different here using the spy cam. And also I have to format the spy cam on a quick format each time in the computer, because if you don't and you delete only the videos, it just keeps building up and uses space in there, and by and by you got no space on the card. I got a 4 gig card in there, so you have to do that. And of course I gave up trying to keep the date set. The date and time is back down to 2008 now, so I don't even bother with it. It's a pain in the ass. This video is for the birds, birds, birds. is for the birds.